Hi guys, I would like to show you a little bit of what in the kitchen. This is refrigerator. Okay, but my point is, I want to show you what in the pot. Yeah, chicken wing soup. Chicken wings soup. I like to eat the soup like this. Doesn't need to have more taste like spicy, sour, hot, sweet. Not much sweet. Doesn't need to seasoning much. What I use the only that I digging something. This is my treasure. My adventure, because this doesn't look like a more tidy, but this my messy kitchen and very small kitchen, very old style kitchen, old style house like that. Okay, come back to my cooking. This is the cube cano นะคะ This is cano cube. Okay, I show you the box. The container cano from Mexico, not Thailand. Yeah. Normally when I make the soup, I only add that cube flavor, F-R-A-V-O-R flavor, and put in my soup, and I don't need to add any seasoning at all. I like the taste of the soup with just 1 or 2 cube of that flavor. Okay, and then now I'm going to add the soup in my rice bowl. This one I add mushroom, tomatoes, and onion. It's not onion. I learned from some YouTube. It said onion, not onion. Okay, you don't need to be jealous now. This is very easy meal for me. Okay, just let's go eat, and I will enjoy my chicken soup. Thank you for watching and listening to my English. This is how I practicing speaking and share to my all friends. See you next video. Bye.